Welcome. In the previous video, we added statements to our abstract syntax tree, and in this one, we are going to compile the same abstract syntax tree into a C code. We can begin by creating a writer.h file, and once again, add the boilerplate code. We can already include it in the main.c file by defining writer implementation, and then including writer.h file. Inside the writer.h file, we can include stdio, stdlib, assert, parser, and string view. And the only function we'll be exporting is writer_ast_2_c that is going to accept the file pointer and the AST we want to write. We can implement writer ASTs to C like this. So we can call writer write includes and then writer write main. The writer write includes function can be implemented quite easily, since for now we are just going to include stdio. The writer write main function is a little bit more complex. So we can begin by writing int main, then the arguments, then a curly braces. And we can also write the return 0 and the end curly brace. And in the middle, we'll need to loop through all of the statements and write them out. We can begin the write statement function by writing out all of the indentation. And then we can have a switch statement for the AST kind. For now, we are only going to accept AST function call. To write a function call, we can do writer write function call. That begins by extracting the function call value to fn variable. Then we can write the function name, then a left parenthesis, and the right parenthesis. But in the middle of these two, we'll need to write all of the arguments for the function. Since for now the arguments of a function are expressions, we can use the writer write expression function that implements it for AST string. Now if you comment out dump AST and open a file a.c, do not forget to include errno. We can now write to that file using the file pointer we just opened and the AST we have just parsed. Finally, if we run our script, you can see that now we have an a.c file with the correct structure. We will need to make some temporary changes to our demo file by swapping printline to printf. We can also add two lines to our run.sh script, one to compile the a.c file and another one to run the binary we just compiled. Besides that, we can also update the standard from C11 to C17. Now, if you run our run script once again, you can see hello YouTube. To make this more presentable, we can add a new line at the end of the string and also add another printf call. Now, if you run the script, you can see hello YouTube and another printf call. We can see the generated C code and you can see that everything is as we expected it to be. And this is how you convert an AST to C code. In the next episode, we are going to implement function definitions.